Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. On to DIY number one. For this, I'm going to take one of this beautiful Valentine themed heart shaped container and some soap petals, and I'm planning to do like a flower box on a heart shape. And for this, I'm actually taking one of this the heart-shaped container. I'm taking dab of a hot glue, trying to fix it everywhere so it doesn't pop up, and I'm trying to attach my rose petals there. And these are soap petals, and this is how it looks after all the rose petals are stuck. So now I am planning to stick one of this pink pearl string around the box. So I'm just taking it. It's got like sticky part, but the sticky part is not really enough sticky, so I'm going to take a dab of a hot glue, and I'm going to take a small pinch and attach in the middle of the heart and work my way to finish this whole heart shaped box. And this is how it looks after it is completely stuck, and this is the final dab of a hot glue to finish the look. And this is so gorgeous with this pearl string. I am so much in love with this. Now I also have this pink sheer ribbon that actually came with the soap petals box, so I'm going to actually knot it around the heart shaped box and create a bow. And this is how it looks after the bow is ducktailed and decorated. Now I'm planning to attach this cap to the bottom, so I'm taking a dab of a hot glue to the cap and then trying to stick this box on top of it so it looks like it's complete. So this is how my soap petal dish looks like, so you have to let me know what you think about it. And this is such a high-end looking gift that you can give to your loved ones. So yeah, let me know what you think. This video would be part of last minute Valentine gift giving ideas, and four of us are joining in this. Myself, Melissa over Melissa Makes It DIY, and Marjorie over Jitter Blessings, and Chantel over Crafty Hints by Chantel. So we all are throwing some ideas of how you can make beautiful Valentine last minute gifts to your loved ones. After you've seen my video, there's a link for other person's video, so you can hop on and check out what they made. On to DIY number two. For this, actually I took one of this Dollar Tree mug, and I decorated this Dollar Tree mug with golden letter rub-on stickers and which spell love, and stuck one of the peacock feather which is also a rub-on sticker and decorated with a golden pen. And that's not part of this video. I'll leave the link in the description box if you want to watch. And I stuffed one of this lavender candle and also one of this beautiful lavender color nail paint and some kisses. In the gift wrapping section, I got this plastic filming wrapper, so I'm going to wrap the whole mug with a clear plastic wrapper to just protect the whole mug and stuff inside that. So I'm trying to cover it up and bring it all together. And this is actually one of the chenille lavender color yarn. I'm just loving the whole texture of it. It's so soft and beautiful. So I tied a knot on top of it and created a bow. And this is one of the beautiful lavender gift basket that you can give to someone you love. And on to DIY number three. This is actually one of the beautiful plastic container which has like a light pink shade which has love written everywhere. All I did was fill some of this paper stuffing in there, and I wanted to insert some of this pink bath bombs. I got this from Five Below. You can also get this from Dollar Tree. There were so many varieties you can find in Dollar Tree as well. So I'm just taking two of them and trying to insert that with the rose scented oil, and this is also from Dollar Tree, and it is such a beautiful smell. I just used once and it's really a good product. So it's also matching the color scheme there, so I'm just trying to fill as much as I can. So I just stuffed all of this together, and later I thought I should put a lid on top and cover the lid with one of this cute gnome which has pink hat and love sign on top of it. And I'm going to attach him with a dab of a hot glue with some of this pink kisses. I'm going to attach around him, and one of the pink rose as his adornment. So this is another gift that I am going to give to one of my print. And again, I'm going to cover the whole gift with the clear plastic wrapping and with a cute bow on top. So what do you think about this? I'm just loving the cute gnome on top. You have to let me know what you think about it in the comment section. So let's move on to DIY number 4. And for this, actually, I'm taking one of the red basket that I got in the Valentine decor section last year, and I didn't use it, so I thought this would be a great idea to give like a stuff all your gifts in this. So I tried decorating this with this velvet ribbon, but again I didn't really like the look of it, so I went with one of this thin pink ribbon that I got during Michael's after Christmas sale, and I got this for 70 cents. It's actually a pink ribbon with red strawberry. So I'm inserting through and using dab of a hot glue. I attached both the ends of the ribbon to complete the look of the basket. Now I'm going to also create a cute bow with the same ribbon. It's the same style of ribbon. I'm just taking a piece of it and I'm trying to bend it in the center. And I also covered that with one of this thin red satin ribbon in the middle to finish the look of the bow. And I'm attaching it where both the ribbons meet. And that's our ribbon decor. Now I'm going to do the stuffing. So basically I stuffed some of these plastic bags to get the height and some of the shredded paper on top of it. And after that I just stuck two of this beautiful socks. One is from the Polo brand and it comes in 2 in a pack, and that's a good deal. And also one of the Shatty's invisible socks, and one of the cute mermaid bath bomb and candle, and some of the candies, Snickers, Ferrero Rocher. And I wanted to stuff one of this cute gnome. I decorated this gnome for another project. That video is coming up soon. And I created like a bandana on top of his hat and one of the cute rose and nose as well, decorated with pom-pom. And I'm stuffing one of the cute rock heart that I created, and also planning to stuff some candies on top of it. And of course, all of this basket will also be covered with the clear plastic filming around it with a cute bow on top. So I'm just not going to show that here because it's the same repetition of the process. So I just also wanted to show the details. So here we go. Our basket is ready, and you have to let me know what you think about it. These are a few of my gift options for Valentine's Day. I just quickly wrapped few of these things. So this is one of the mug that I made from Dollar Tree mug, which had like a golden rim on top. And I used this rub-on stickers, the golden ones. And there's also another sticker, rub-on one. And I drew some dots with the golden ink marker. It's also from Dollar Tree. It's actually a complete Dollar Tree gift bag. Lavender candle here, and some beautiful gel paint, nail paint, some pink kisses around, and using one of the cellophane tape wrapper, I just covered it and created with one of the Chanel lavender color bow. And this is actually a cute lavender color gift basket that I'm very much happy with because that's my favorite color. So you let me know what you think about it as well. And this is another pink one basket which has love everywhere. It's so gorgeous. It's like a nice light beautiful pink. All I did was stuff off some of this beautiful bath bombs from Dollar Tree, and these are all from paper stuffing. Everything is from Dollar Tree. Even the oil is actually a rose oil, and one of the cute gnome, he's wearing pink rose, and I stuffed with some of this pink kisses. But I'm also going to cover with the same plastic filming. I just don't want to cover the beauty. I just want to show how it looks before it goes. And I'm going to tie a beautiful bow on top. And this is another gift idea that I want to share with you all today. And this is one of my favorites. And this is actually a soap petals, and this is one of the beautiful container from Dollar Tree again. And I attached one of this pink pearl sticker around it and one of the pink sheer ribbon. to complete the look. This is also one of the beautiful stuff that I'm very much happy with. You have to let me know what you think about it. And the other one is this beautiful red bucket, and this I got from last year. I never used it, so I used one of this beautiful strawberry printed ribbon from Michaels, and I ran through those loops of hearts, and I just stuck one of the cute ribbon on the top, and this is actually one of the red satin ribbon I circled in the middle, created a bow and stuck it, and stuffed with a lot of good stuff. Bath bomb, some washcloth, and this is such a cool find from the Dollar Tree, this Polo Club liner, fashion liner. It's actually like a invisible socks that goes in the shoes. This is one of the cool product. I just love this. I got so many of them. They come in 2 in a pack for $1. It's definitely a good buy. And this is another charity. It's also a good brand. I tried. And this is one of the cute gnome I created for another project that is going to come up. And I just created like a bandana or like his hat cover with this one of the scarf, and I attached one of the foam rose, and Pom Pom has his nose. So this is one of it that's going to come up. And there's another candle decor that I created for one of the projects, and there's one of the rock heart that is also for one of the DIYs that I made. I'll leave the links if you want to see how I made this. And I stuffed some of this beautiful candies and chocolates, then some more chocolates. I'm going to cover this with the plastic filming with another bow on the top. And these are the few simple, quick Dollar Tree gift baskets that I wanted to share with you all today. You don't have to spend a lot. You can buy some nice cool stuff from Dollar Tree and make it a gift wrap and give it to your loved ones. And these are the few of the things that I want to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you'd consider subscribing, liking and sharing to see more like this. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.